1. Utopia Kitchen Rolling Egg Container. The Utopia Kitchen Rolling Egg Container is a game-changer for your fridge. With its innovative design, eggs automatically roll forward, making it easier than ever to grab one without causing a mess. The removable lid allows for easy replenishment, and the stackable feature ensures it saves space in your refrigerator. Made from durable, clear plastic, this container is built to last while keeping your eggs fresh and organized. 2. Soda Can Dispenser for Refrigerator. If you're tired of your cans cluttering your fridge, the Soda Can Dispenser is the perfect solution. This dispenser features an automatic drink pusher that keeps your cans at the front, making it easy to grab your favorite drink. It's adjustable to fit various can and bottle sizes, so you can store everything from soda cans to water bottles. It's a great way to keep your fridge neat and maximize storage space. 3. Vtopmart Stackable Storage Drawers. The Vtopmart stackable storage drawers are perfect for organizing everything from makeup and bathroom essentials to kitchen utensils. These transparent, acrylic drawers allow you to see exactly where everything is stored, making it easy to find what you need. They're stackable, so you can save space in your cabinets, pantry, or bathroom. The built-in handles make it easy to pull out and access items, while the sturdy design ensures long-lasting use. 4. AOJEZOR Toilet Paper Holder Stand. The AOJEZOR Toilet Paper Holder Stand is an excellent addition to any bathroom. It features a slim, compact design that fits perfectly into small spaces, providing convenient storage for up to 4 rolls of toilet paper. Made from waterproof PVC, it's designed to resist moisture and keep your bathroom tidy. The stand also has raised feet to keep the contents dry and includes open shelves for additional bathroom essentials, like wipes or cleaning products. 5. ROUFA Acrylic Shelf Dividers. Keep your shelves neat and organized with the ROUFA Acrylic Shelf Dividers. These clear dividers are adjustable and easy to install, allowing you to customize your storage space. Whether you're organizing your closet, pantry, or display shelves, these dividers provide a sleek and efficient way to separate and stack items. Made from high-quality acrylic, they're durable and will not damage your shelves. The modern, transparent design adds a chic touch to any room. 6. Magnetic Cable Clips by Joyroom. Say goodbye to tangled cords with the magnetic cable clips by Joyroom. These clips feature a unique magnetic design that lets you easily grab and release your cables with one hand. The 7.5mm cable slot fits most standard charging cables, and the enhanced adhesive ensures that they stay securely in place on any clean, flat surface. Perfect for organizing cables under your desk, in your car, or around the house, these clips make cable management a breeze. 7. Utopia